Alright, we got one little room we're cleaning. Has a red stain. It's been freshly vacuumed, but we're going to do a pre-vacuum. And it's kind of dark and cloudy today, so hopefully this will show up on video pretty good. This dark area here is a shadow. This carpet's only about 2 months old. Okay, that makes it even. Alright, so stay tuned. We'll probably go ahead and video the vacuuming and the cleaning on this video. So stay tuned. All right, we got a little bit. This is a new carpet.
Oh, sure.
Well,
Well,
we're gonna have to re-vacuum this a little bit.
Yeah, I've never seen the canister open like that.
Yeah, well, you gotta be careful.
We'll pick it up with a vacuum hose. I was going to show everybody, well, there's the stuff. Anyway, it kind of came out.
Yeah, we'll just redo it real quick.
I will do it with this.
I'll drive over that area.
Yeah.
No, that's okay. Just leave it right there.
That's all right. That shouldn't happen again.
Well, you probably just held the button down as you were taking it off.
I don't know. I've never had it happen.
All right.
But yeah, that's a fair amount of. It's a lot of loose. This is a pretty new carpet that was only lived on for 6 weeks or so. So
That's a lot of carpet fuzz.
A lot of it's carpet fuzz.
All right. We're going to clean this carpet next. I'm going to make that a separate video because the people that like to watch vacuuming get mad when we show cleaning.
Yeah.
And the people that like to watch cleaning don't like seeing vacuuming and vice versa. So it always causes trouble when we try to put it all together as one video. So that's going to be all for the vacuuming part of this video. And we'll do a cleaning video and put it up at another time. So I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.